it's 𝐤𝐰𝐸𝐾𝐮𝐬𝐾 with the 𝐤𝐻𝐸𝐾 team here in Rapid City and the Black Hills of South Dakota. Want to just kind of give you guys some additional thoughts. It is December 16th, 2021, so just for context on where we're at with the market. I took Lindsay's advice and we now have a better backdrop than my lunchroom. I know it's not quite the same as our salmon colored countertops, but we're gonna go with it. Also wanted to bring back the monster headphones for you, so here we go. It looks like I'm gonna jump in a helicopter soon. So what we're seeing currently with the market as one who's kind of watching what things are doing so that we can counsel and guide clients, and with my buyer investor hat on as well, all the time looking for opportunity. I feel like right now is one of the best times. So COVID, and when that all hit, spring of 2020, pretty much after that, our market has just been nonstop. High appreciation, low inventory, really aggressive ever since then. Right now, I feel like, especially on the buyer side of things, it's still a challenge from what it used to be because there's low inventory, but I feel like we're in kind of a sweet spot where there is a holiday lull coming into the winter time. We've just seen a little bit of a settling that if you are looking at buying, if you're especially looking at getting into investment properties, I feel like we're in a good spot right now that it would be good opportunity before we jump back into the normal spring market cycle this next year. Couple main reasons for that. One, we're not seeing as high of offers as what we were. So this summer we were seeing 5 to 8 offers on average on houses. Right now we're getting sometimes 1 offer to where you're not in a competing situation, to 3 is kind of more the norm right now. Prices we're not seeing that 30 to 50,000 over asking price like we were, so you're able to write an offer that's not quite as aggressive or competitive. So that's one thing we're seeing. Inventory is still low, so we're 147 homes on the market right now. So that to really see a market correction, that's got to go up. I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon, but these other factors have kind of opened up a little bit of a door. The other thing, holidays, anytime we get into the holidays, everybody gets preoccupied. So as an investor, this is the time of year that I always like to look for opportunity, just because there's not quite as many people out knocking on doors when stuff's listed. We might just have less competition. So that's the other. And then also talking with a lender this morning, it talked on, due to inflation, the Fed's finally looked at stuff and said, okay, we've got an issue, we need to go in and help correct it. So they are they weren't planning on raising interest rates till 2023. They are now looking at doing that very soon. So this next year, they said they're going to raise it 3 different times throughout the year. So again, if you're looking at buying or getting into investment, I feel like this is the sweet spot because we've got a little bit less competition, not having to write quite as aggressive of offers right now, and the upcoming interest rate changes. As you know, if you've invested in property, interest rates can make a pretty big difference on your cash flow and the returns that we can create. So that's kind of what we're seeing. If you have kicked around or thinking on getting into investment property, all that, I feel like we're in kind of a next couple months, a good window for that. So give me a call at 605-381-7500 or shoot me an email, jeremy@thekehlerteam.com, if you have additional questions or if you even want to kind of kick around based on your personal scenario, ideas, different things that we can look at doing. Thanks.